Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. Let's get started. This is gold hourly chart. Yesterday when we were making the video, gold was trading around here 1995, 96 after making highs around 2002. After that, it crashed to test around 1961.50. If you remember my yesterday's video, I have given you a support of 1964. Gold didn't sustain below the support. As you can see, it just spiked near support and then bounced back very hard to test around $2,000 once again. Even today, it is showing that gold made around 2000 high. So yesterday the support was respected, even though it broke the support and went around $3 below the support, but it didn't sustain long. Gold sustained below support nearly 1 or 2 minutes max and then bounced back from there. Now currently gold prices are trading 1986. One update from Ukraine and Russia war is that Russia is threatening to cut the natural gas flow to Europe, and if this threat materialize, then expect crude oil to test around 170 and $200. Yes, you heard it right. If Russia follow up their threat, because now they are feeling the pressure of sanctions. In fact, Russia is the most sanctions country in the world, even worse than North Korea. Russia is now sanctioned more than North Korea and Iran as well. Yesterday, many commodities, especially base metals, have massacred all the sellers, especially the nickel. The nickel was up nearly 50% in single day. So I am sure if you are following my community levels where I give you base metals levels, I was clearly writing that nickel is in positive zone. So I am sure you must have followed that. If you still want to get MCX base metals levels, click join and select 599 to view the community post. Now crude oil is trading around $120. If you watch weekly video or weekly chart as well, you must be knowing that crude oil was up already 28% last week, and even now it is trading higher, and we have inflation numbers due in 2 days. These percentage will not be adding up in this inflation numbers, but I am sure inflation is gonna rise. Last time it was 7.5%, and we might see 7.7 or 7.8% this time. And if Ukraine and Russia war keep intensifying like it is now today, I won't be surprised if US post 8.5 or even 9% inflation rate next month. So we will keep an eye on that. I will give you all the updates, so make sure you subscribe the channel and click bell icon. You can also join me for live stream on my streaming channel. Streaming channel link is in description for my paid signal service. WhatsApp number is on your screen right now. You can send me a message on WhatsApp. Now let's have a look at resistance and support for gold price today. 1970 will act as support now if gold break and sustain below this support, then expect 1960 and 1950. Resistance at $2,003. If gold break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 2010 and 2020. Currently gold is in trading in positive zones, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to silver. This is silver, and these are the levels from yesterday's video. As you can see, 25.35 was support. This was support. It snicked for a few seconds and then came back to test nearly $26, $25.80. Interestingly, these levels haven't changed yet. Resistance will change a little bit. Rest the trend and the support will remain same. 25.35 will act as support now. Again, if silver break and sustain below this support, then expect $25 and $24.80. Currently, silver is in positive zone. Let's move on to crude oil. Yesterday, when crude oil broke 118.50, which was the support of yesterday's video, here it broke the support and sustained well, but it already tested 115.60. After that, our support was then 114.80. Now the trend have changed from positive to negative. Weirdly, the crude oil bounced back nearly $6 from the lowest point of the day. Now need to change the levels. Resistance now $23.20. The support have changed from 14 to 16. The trend is flat for now. Either side will decide the trend. If break 1680, then it would enter in weak zone. If break 2320, then it would enter in positive zone. Currently, crude oil trend is flat, so please trade accordingly. Let's move on to Forex. First, we will see Euro. These are the levels I have given you yesterday. 930 was resistance. Let's see what high it made yesterday. Exact 930 high it made and then crashed back to test around 846. So nearly 80 to 90 pips crash from the highs. Again, these levels are still valid. We don't need to change anything. So you can write down or take a screenshot of these levels. Euro levels are still same as yesterday's. Now this is British pound. Yesterday resistance was 32.80. I later changed in my live streaming from 32.80 to 32.50. Currently it is trading in weak zone. There is no doubt about that. But the levels have changed dramatically. Now 32.50 is not the resistance. 31.95 is. 31.95 will act as resistance now. 30.80 will act as support now. The trend is intact. The trend haven't changed because of dollar index. Dollar index is advancing at very rapid pace. Please be very cautious while trading. Let's move on to cryptos. This is Bitcoin. These are the levels I have given you yesterday, and these levels are still valid. No need to change. Let's move on to Ethereum. Then we will see Indian markets. This is Ethereum currently trading 25.53. Again, these levels are still valid. 24.80 was the support. Today's low is around 24.83, 24.80 as well. So again, support is respected. The levels haven't changed yet. This is Indian market. Currently gold is trading 53,550. Resistance at 54,020 rupees. Support at 53,100 rupees. I will refresh these levels around 5 p.m. You can check gold, silver and crude oil levels around 5 p.m. in community post by clicking the join button and select 399. You can also check copper, zinc and nickel levels in community post by clicking the join button and select 599. Silver is trading 7,080 rupees. Silver support stands at 69,800 rupees. 69,800. Silver resistance at 71,200 rupees. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to press the like button. Also follow me on Telegram and Twitter. All links are in description. You can also join me for live streaming 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. You can ask your question there. If you have any query or if you are stuck in trade, streaming channel link is in description. That was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signals, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is in description. Leave your feedback in comment section. I read all your comments. Now I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.